Today we are reviewing the Hilton Santa Barbara Beachfront Resort, located on Cabrillo Boulevard in Santa Barbara on East Beach. Upon arrival, you will receive a cookie. All rooms are suites and come with a lovely living room and bar area. The bathrooms are nicely decorated, although the showers could use updating. This resort is rated 4.3 stars and comes with 1 king bed or 2 queen-size beds. You also get a lovely balcony with a great view. Links are in the description below if you'd like to book a reservation. Thanks for watching. See you next time.